Hi loves, it's V here. Today's video is all about my newest makeup products. I already did a video about my oldest makeup products and you guys seem to enjoy it. So if you haven't seen it yet, I will link it right here so you can go and check it out. And without further ado, let's dive in. I don't have a lot of brow products. It's my oldest, newest, and regular product. The only difference is that lately I've been using this Lift and Snatch pen from NYX to do my brows, and earlier I just used brow pencil. This is the only difference. I will do my brows off camera and I'll see you. Maybe they're not twins, but they're definitely sisters. So my newest foundation is this skin tint from Kylie Cosmetics and I really like it. I seem to enjoy it. Yeah, it's like this watery. It gives light to medium coverage and it feels really lightweight on the skin. A little bit like a ghost, but we will fix it. I have only one concealer, my Lancome one. Really like it. Just here, it's enough. Next, for the bronzer. The latest addition to my collection is this bronzer from SheGlam. I also like it, seem to enjoy it. But if you're not careful, you can mess up the blending. You have to know that it's pigmented, so you need just a little. You can end up as Oompa Loompa, so be careful, please. Just like this. For the cream blush, is also from SheGlam. And lately, in one of my last videos, I figured the best placement of the blush for me. I like this blush. It's really nice. It's also pigmented. One dot, it's enough. But I also figured that the best placement that suits me is this one. A little bit lower on the cheek. I actually really like this complexion. The next step is powder, and my latest addition, my newest powder, not that new, it's in the old packaging, Huda Beauty, and I've been using it every day. The trick that I always do, I don't know if I ever showed it to you, just do this on your hand. The shade I'm using is Cupcake. Do you hear this noise outside? I'm so sorry for that. What's happening? To set the rest of the face, I have Charlotte Tilbury powder. Really nice, really like it. It really gives matte and blurring finish without it being cakey or like noticeable on the skin. I always also use it to blend everything together. As you can see, it's matte, it's flawless, but it's not too much. Now I still look a little bit pale on a camera actually, because in real life this is my skin tone. Powder bronzer. This is one I use every day. I really enjoy it. Makeup by Maria. It's not too much, it's not too little, it's just perfect. So I'm just doing this and going like this, and it's not too noticeable. Like, it's actually perfect for people who just starting their makeup journey, because in my opinion this bronzer is easy to use for blush, for powder blush. This is my recent product and it's Hourglass. Yeah, I've dreamed about this blush for years and I finally have it right here. This is in shade Luminous Flush. The one thing you should know about this blush, it is a little bit tricky to use. You can say that these two brushes are exactly the same, and yeah, it is, but it's not. This brush is not picking the blush really good. It just stays on the brush and it's not getting to your face. So when I used this brush for the blush, sorry, yeah, difficult. I had to take like 10 layers of blush for it to show up. And I thought maybe this blush is not that good. But then I changed the brushes and used this one. This from Made by Mitchell. And it's a little bit more like catchy here. The bristles a little bit more catchy. This brush picks the blush really nice, like just like this, and yeah, that's enough and more. You just have to check your brushes to find the best for this blush. You see, just one layer, one, not 10. Now for highlighter. This is my newest highlighter. I really like it. As you can see, those three shades are used. I use it for everything, like literally. I use it as a shimmer on the eyes for highlighting. I never used this shade as a blush because for me it's a little bit too glittery and I like it as highlighter but not as blush. Perfection. Now, as we finished with our powder product, the newest addition to my collection is setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Before this, I've never had a setting spray. I've never used a setting spray, but I bought this one and I've used it a couple times before, and yeah, I really like it. I'm not really used for applying those sprays, so for me it's a little bit strange every time. But what I noticed, the setting spray leaves a layer above your makeup. The makeup is protected and you don't have to worry about it. The next step is eyeshadow, and I don't have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. I have only two, my Braid Mattes from Beauty Bay and this palette from Mario. Neutral shades, but as you can see, it's pretty used. I don't know, what should we do today? Something light, something, I don't know. Tell me and I'll tell you. I'm gonna use this right here and this right here and this right here, just on my lower lid. What I really like to do every time I do my makeup with this palette, I always take brush like this and I take the two lightest shades and I really push it into the lid to make it lighter, brighter. Okay, then you have to blend it. Then I will use my highlighter. This is not my highlighter. Get back to it. Wait. Pink. What I always do also with this palette is I take the angled brush like this and create that wing. I always take the neutral shades, so either this, or this. So, just a couple days ago, I bought the brown Maybelline Sky High. I really like the Sky High mascara. My oldest one is Sky High Burgundy one. So, I don't understand why, and this is my only issue with this mascara, is that it dries so fast. I used this one just 3 months before it dried, completely dried out. I bought the brown edition of this mascara. I have never used this mascara before, so this is gonna be my raw reaction, okay? This now nice brown shade. Oh, okay. I hope you can see my lashes. because yeah, it's not black, so it's not gonna be this big of a contrast, so from far away you can't really see my lashes. Maybe we should do a challenge, makeup without mirror. If you would like to see that from me, just please tell me in the comments. It's really soft, glam, and I really like it. For the lips, my newest lip liner is this one from Kylie Cosmetics. It's in the shade Lure. It's like this burgundy color, right? It's really nice. It's smooth. It's really soft lip liner. You can draw a line so effortless. The newest addition to my lip family for my lip gloss lipstick. It's Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. This is the holiday edition one. I really like this stuff. I've seen that people call this grainy. I didn't have the issue, and I ordered this stuff from the US, so it's been through a lot, and it's not grainy. It has sparkles, and actually, I can't even feel them. And this is our full face complete. I'll get to you. So it looks great. I look great. Sorry, I love this makeup. Now we can talk. The first thing I will say that I like this full face a lot more than my oldest makeup. The difference you can notice is just on a cheek, about the bronzer, about the blush. What you can tell to me is that my oldest makeup is like mostly drugstore, and this makeup is that I showed to you is mostly high end. First of all, now I have my adult money that I can spend. That's the first one. The second one is now I make the decisions really thoughtful. So I think about products I may like, and I don't buy it right away. I think about it for a long time and then I make the decision. Yeah, there is the purchase that I regret. I regret my purchase from Made by Mitchell, but this is story for another video. I'm not hating on Mitchell. Yeah, the difference is noticeable, and this full face right here is actually mostly my everyday makeup routine. Obviously, sometimes I mix and match different makeup products. Yeah, I like it. I like it. There is nothing I would change in this makeup routine. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and leave your comment. I love you so much, and see you soon. Bye. Bye.